Now, if we see the market, how market is giving you what we can say helping you in the innovation. So, there are two processes, market pull is there and market push is there. Market pull is a concept like when market tells you, customers tells you that something is needed and you just what we can say cater the needs of the customer, and then accordingly you offer your products or services, that is a market pull is there. Market push is there like here what the thing is happening, you are developing something and that offering, market may not be interested in that particular kind of what we can say offering or services or product, but you are developing it and you are offering into the market, and customers or consumers who are using that particular product or service, they say that yes, this is a very good product, and yes, immediately that will be accepted, and there is a market diffusion of your technology or